Hey there, it's Jake from GeoTargetly, and in this video tutorial I will be showing you how to set up our Geo Page feature. Let's start with what is Geo Page. In simplicity, Geo Page is a location-aware link in bio site creator. What that means, or what an example of that might be, so let's picture that you have a social media site and you want to use a link in bio, but you do not have the page that you would like to link to, or you want to create the page that is social media friendly, so mobile first, and also you want to lead the visitors of that page to different content based on where they're entering the site from, such as for Canadian customers you will be showing different links and sections and social media links to what your US visitors might see, and that's exactly what GeoPage does. So in order to set up GeoPage, you need a GeoTargetly account. If you already have one, just go ahead and log in. If you do not, don't worry, we offer a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. So once you log in, you should be greeted with our product dashboard, and from the product dashboard, just go ahead and select create page on GeoPage. This will bring you to the GeoPage setup. I already have a setup here because there's quite a lot to set up in GeoPage. And basically I want to make sure that we breeze through this in an orderly fashion and timely manner. So in the profile and appearance setup, you can add your avatar, you can change your profile name and modify the general appearance of your GeoPage. Nice thing about GeoPage is that there is a live preview, so any changes that you make, such as, I don't know, the change to the color of the headline is visible straight out of the gate, making it easy to visualize. Once you are happy with the style, and the style includes, for example, even the rounding of the corners and the outline of these link boxes, you can move on to the next step, which is location segments. If you're familiar with GeoTargetly, you know how this works, but a quick refresher, basically in this step you define, you use targeting criteria, and you can target based on countries, states, cities, latitude and longitude, browser languages, even IP addresses. And for specific audiences that meet these criteria, such as I have set up two segments over here, one for visitors from America and second from visitors from Europe, you can define the content that should be placed in your geo page. So for the American customers, I want to promote the idea of GeoTargetly being an all-in-one geo-targeting platform. So once again, if I turn on preview, you can see that I'm including section on redirection and a section on content changing, meaning, hey, these are the two things that make up the all-in-one platform, and I can have links to geo redirect and geo content. And you define all of that. Sorry, let me just close the preview. You define all of that from here. You can add new sections or new links. If you already have links here, you can order them, and you can even delete them and edit them. Also, for each of the location segments, you can define specific social media links. So let's say that for the American audience, I want to show our Facebook, but for Europe, instead of Facebook, I want to show LinkedIn, so I fill out LinkedIn, and also the content, I want it to be different. So for the headline, I will promote the link shortening and consent management, and that is reflected in the section dividers and links. So if I turn on preview, you can see that I am linking to link shortening features and geo consent features, and I see LinkedIn over here. Finally, you can see that there's a predefined location segment. And in the predefined location segment, this is a page content that should be shown to visitors from the locations that are not met in the defined location segments. Meaning, I don't know, if a person from Southern America visits the page, they should be shown a different content, but basically this is everybody who does not meet the targeting criteria defined in the explicitly called out targeting in the defined segments. Also, if you want to create more segments, just click on add more locations, or feel free to copy an existing location. Now that the content is defined, there's just one more step to take care of, which is claiming your URL. So first up, your geo page is hosted on this domain. You can see that the domain is different from geo-targetly domain to ensure kind of self-sufficiency and self-standing. And also you can modify this URL slug any way you like and claim it. As long as nobody else claimed it before you, you are free to kind of modify your URL. And we also offer a QR code for you. Once all of this is set up, you just hit save and you should be able to see your different versions of GeoPage based on visitor location. So let's take a look. If I visit GeoPage from Europe, I will be seeing link shortening and content management, as I showed you. If I visit it from US or Northern America, I will see the all-in-one geo-targeting platform. And because my all other location segment was turned off, if I visit GeoPage from any other location, I will be met with the 404 page. So we've even thought about this. And we are making sure that all of your visitors are met with the correct experience, correct content. And as you can see, even though I'm seeing different content on the page, the URL is still geo-targetly GeoPage for all three pages. Cool. So that's how GeoPage works. And there are just some kind of parting thoughts that I want to impart on you about how to make sure that it's working, how to test, where to find more resources, and so on and so forth. So let's get back into the setup. In case you want to actually see the page displayed from different locations, you have several options. You can either opt in to a VPN or turn on a VPN and select the country from which you want to see the page, or better yet, we have a built-in solution for that, which is test mode. You just select your IP address here, you define the country that you want to see the geo page from, you hit on, and then you save the setup, and the next time you refresh the page or visit your geo page, you will see it as if from that given location. If you have any questions, concerns, or need more resources in setting up GeoPage, basically what you can do is you can reach to our support, which you can do from over here, which is our on-site support. You can also write to support@geotargetly.com, and we have a pretty extensive documentation which will be linked below this video. You can find it also from over here, the quick start guide and docs, which will lead you to our documentation, and there is a specific section on GeoPage. Also, if anything you see in the application is different from what I shown you in this video, it might be due to the fact that we not recently, but we regularly release new features and new updates to GeoTargetly, and I invite you to check out our updates or the newest releases section, and you can see what were the releases that we pushed to production recently, and you might find there that we added more functions to GeoPage. Finally, I wanted to show you that how GeoPage is monetized. So if I return over here, basically each visit of the GeoPage is associated with a determining of the user location, and that is what you're charged based on. So basically each display of the GeoPage subtracts one page view from your subscription. So on the subscription tab, you can purchase our pricing plans or purchase our subscription plans. There is a 20% discount for yearly billing, and you can select the page with the adequate number of page views that you need for your setups. And these page views or these credits are shared across all of your setups across all of the Geo Targetly features. With that, I'm going to thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope you'll have a great day.